kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Today I am out at Hobby Lobby and I stumbled upon a bridal area in the store. And if you are a 2025 bride, you need to run to Hobby Lobby and check out their bridal section. This week they have 40% off. They have all of the gadgets, all of things for your bridal party, for the groom, for guests, for decor. They have it all here in the his and her section of Hobby Lobby. I was greatly surprised at some of the items that I saw, but again, everything in the bridal section this week is 40% off. So I saw a lot of things that I could possibly use for my daughter's wedding, but her wedding isn't until 2026. So I know they're going to come out with more and with different things in the bridal section because this is a permanent section in the store. So I really didn't get anything on today because I kind of wanted to wait and see what else they were going to bring out. And I do see that people have been shopping the his and hers bridal section because they were very low on some of the inventory here. So just sit back, relax, and look at some of the things that they have to offer. Maybe you know someone whom is getting married, or maybe you're a consultant for them, or you are a coordinator or planner for them, and maybe this can give you some ideas. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in to this video on today, and again, I hope it is something that you're able to use moving forward. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful to you. Now, I am loving these items here. The sunglasses for the ring security. Oh, it is so cute with the little badge for the ring bearer. And they also have like the little security case as well too. And you guys will see that later in the video. Can y'all just imagine the little boy walking down the aisle with his sunglasses on, with his security badge on, with his briefcase, with the ring in there? Y'all, that is so cute. That is a great added touch to any wedding. Now, I love the idea of having these table stands with the table numbers on the tables, but these are definitely too small. I think they were like 3.56 um, inches, so those are definitely too small, but they are cute. They are cute for the tables. They had plenty of little candle jars for your candles if you're going to be utilizing that, and they also have it in the silver, the gold, and the clear. And they also have like the pre-lit candles as well too, and that's something that people generally use at the weddings versus, you know, the lit candles. So like I said, the selection that they have is really good. It was just that their inventory was a little bit low in this particular store in which I am visiting. I love the cake toppers. The stands are a plus. Now, I probably would have picked up some of the stands if they would have had at least 4 or 5, but they only had that one, and they are already marked down to $21.99, and that was a good price for that. Now, also, I like the over the table rod stand. I love that. I picked it up. I had it in the cart, but once I looked at the measurements of it, it was too short. I need at least anywhere from a 6 foot to 8 foot over the table topper, and of course they only had one, and the price was great. It was $13.99. So they definitely have your arches here, your stands, your backdrops, everything in that area as far as decorating they had here. And as you can see, it has the red and yellow tag on it. If you're having any type of farmhouse wedding, Hobby Lobby is your spot because they had all of the different decor pieces in the wood tones with the white writing. Everything was just so farmhouse looking, and it just looks really nice if that's what you're going for. They had almost everything that you would possibly need for your tables, for your decor, and then just to pair the farmhouse, the wood with the wicker is such a great touch. So yes, you guys, again, they had everything that you would possibly need in here. Now also too, in walking down this aisle, a lot of the things that they do have here, you can DIY them yourself. That will cause you to save a bang for your buck. You can save a lot of money and cut back budget wise by DIYing some of these items yourself. Y'all, there's that ring security box. Isn't that cute, you guys? That is so stinking cute. You got the ring security box with the sunglasses on, you got your badge on, and you walking down that aisle. You're securing that ring, y'all. It's such a cute idea, and I definitely think that we're probably going to utilize that, but not with the gold. So yeah, that might be something that we're probably going to DIY. But again, you guys, just keep on watching to the end for me. And like I said, I hope this can give you some ideas. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I will also see you guys in the next video, and thank you all so much for tuning in, and thank you for your continued support, because y'all know I cannot do this without you all. So continue to enjoy the music and watch till the end.
We at home with Lisa.